Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this flexible and portable solar panel that this brand sent to me for the video. You can see how awesome this one is. And by the way, I have it plugged on my power station right now because this thing can actually bypass and it can actually feed power so many things. It actually can do it for your car, actually can do it for your power station, it can do it for devices. You can connect it to a battery and then connect it to the power station, and it gives power to if you're like going camping, hiking, fishing, if you're going on vacations, on a trip or something like that, or just for emergencies as well. You can have this super big and really flexible solar panel. This actually, it goes up to 270 degrees. You can see how flexible this one is, and of course how portable this one is. Today is not a super sunny day, and this is working perfectly as well with all these solar panels it has. I'm going to show it to you on a close-up in a few seconds in how I actually connect it to my power station. But the bottom line, this one is 200 watts, 12 volts, and it's gonna have the two cables, the XT60 cables that you're gonna need. I'm gonna show you the cable that I got separately because it didn't come with my actual power station. So you gotta get that cable to actually connect that one to a power station, for example, or just something else to bypass it to a battery. But again, this one super big, convenient to have. Lots of, you're gonna see lots of solar panels over there, and of course it also has, let me actually, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show it to you on a close-up. So again, some of the important things, besides for sure the solar panels, is that it comes with holes over here. So it has 6 holes total. You're gonna have 2, 2, and 2. So you can actually mount it to, let's say, a drywall. You can mount it to kind of like a big piece of wood. You can mount it to your RV. You can mount it to many places. So having that is pretty convenient. But of course, since it is super portable, you can actually mount it as whatever you want to do it. You can just put it on top of your car, on top of your RV, just like going camping, hiking, fishing, just name it. This thing can go anywhere. So in there you can see some of the specifications as I was telling you before. So you're always going to be able to read that. But then let me actually show you, these are the cables that I was just talking before. So it comes with these two ones over here, the XT60, remember XT60, and then, and by the way, it comes with all the user manual and instructions that you're going to need to give it a read. I'm going to say just give it a 5 or 10 minutes read. It's going to be super good for you to understand. But then this is the one that you need to get, this other XT60 cable, which by the way, it doesn't have to be this short. It can be like super long, just like getting a longer one. But I didn't need one. So actually what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug it into my power station so you can see how it feeds power. So I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it because it's a super bright day right now, not super sunny, but bright. But I'm going to connect it right now, and you're going to hear a beep. So it's connected right now. Well, it was off, that's why it didn't beep, but now it's on. Let me show you how it's charging. Okay, so there you can see it better. It's just feeding power from the solar panel. It is charging, which is the most important thing, but it's also actually giving power at the same time because it has the input over there, and it says how long it's going to take to charge, because for sure this is a big power station. But the most important thing, again, it's not focusing right now, so let's actually try it one more time, is that there, if I gotta charge a device on the go or something like that, this thing is going to help me on that. It's going to help me to charge my devices. I don't know if you're going to see it, but it actually turned on because it was off. That is because I connected it to the power source. So now it's going to be charging. I think this thing is going to be super good to have for those scenarios. And again, just going camping, hiking, fishing, vacation, a short trip, emergencies, you name it, whatever. You may have this one connected at all times and charging power stations just in case that something happened. Or if you go to those places I told you before, that could be another good thing. I like it. I do recommend this big, portable, flexible solar panel.